back to the channel. It's been a minute. The Audi's been sitting here for far too long. I was just inside eating supper and I thought to myself, I need to do something a little bit different, a little bit fun. I've done odd little videos before, making a mud hole, learning how to wheelie, a snow track for the little man, and I thought if I'm not gonna get out on a run, I gotta do something. So, first thing that popped into my brain, jump into the pond. Here she is. It's not super deep if you've seen my videos before, but it's something to play in. It's a good size. Get a wheelie going, just burn around. And I think it's time to jump into it. Now, ideally, I just use this spot right here. Got the run up, build that up a little bit right there, and launch right into it. But that's the main area. So I don't really want to build it up and then you have to jump into the pond. So I'm gonna go over here, see what's up. So I think there's a spot over here where I can kind of approach it without too much effort and too much cutting, but well, we'll see. If that tree wasn't there, you'd almost be laughing. Clean that up right there, go from there. I mean, it looks kind of smooth on here maybe, but it is not. Really, this would be the approach. Start there and just launch it. I can cut that tree out of there pretty easy. The problem is it's sloped downhill, so I have to build it up a lot. You can tell there, it starts there and slopes down into the pond. So I'd have to build that up. Oof. Well, not too much. I don't think there's anywhere else to do it. Man, do I want to use the road? Right there's the best spot. The road is the best spot. Man. Whatever I do is not happening tonight because I'm gonna be doing it with just an old-fashioned ground shovel. I got no skid steer, got no equipment. We're gonna be running a good old-fashioned ground shovel. And there's nowhere else. It's all pretty thick, heavily wooded everywhere else. It's either that corner or where the trail is. And I mean, even here, I've got it pretty chewed up to the point where I'd have to fill that in with ground. I mean, I'd want to come up a foot or two, right? Like you'd want to come up. What does that look like? Poop to anybody else? Big dog logs? Gross. Why do those look like poops? All right, that's the plan. Next nice day, we're doing it, which for you guys is in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I lied to you. It is another day, but we're not working on the pond jump right now, and we're gonna get into something fun. But first, I just gotta show you guys this. I don't recommend this, obviously. It's the wrong way to go about things, but I haven't checked my air filter in about a year. Ever since I put the OMC seals on, I haven't checked it, haven't taken it out, haven't looked it over, nothing. But I figured before the next ride, I better check it out and take a look at what this thing looks like after a year. I can't believe that. That's it. Like, the air filter itself, I mean, she's mint, man. The inside of this thing, nothing. The outside, I mean, come on. That should be like a couple runs. I don't know how I got a year on this thing. Whew. And I mean, it's spotless in there. Anyway, I'm just cleaning it off here for the next run. I figured I'd show you. Anyway, back into something else. What's that? What'd you say?
I want to ride it.
You want to drive it? All right, why not? Yeah, not bad, buddy.
For real, really real, really real, really real, really real. For real, for real, for real, for real.
Man, you got this thing dialed in. Just about.
Real, went through hell to get to this. For real, I'm not pressed to make it list. For real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. For real, 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 for real. Really real, really real, really real, really real. For real, for real, for real.
Dude, you did awesome, man. You should be proud of yourself. You ripped that thing. I am very surprised he did that well. Now, he had a little Polaris electric side-by-side, snapping a picture here, when he was little, but the battery wasn't great. It kept dying on him and he, you know, gave up on it. Now, of course, he loves his ATV. Now you might be getting back in the side-by-sides again. Think you want to drive this all the time? Pretty fun, ain't it? Was it harder than a four-wheeler or easier than a four-wheeler?
Probably kind of the same.
Man, you did awesome, dude. Give me another high five.
I had to be like this.
Yeah, yeah, you were reaching, you were extended out. Think you're ready for some donuts in this yet?
I think I am.
No, I don't think we better do any donuts today. Maybe when you're 7?
10.
Yeah, I mean, I can wait 3 and a bit. I can wait 3 years and a bit. I think you can too. I think donuts at 6 and a Wolverine, a little young. We'll stick to the 90. Anyway, that was fun. You have fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Good day for a rip. All you need's a little handsaw, boys. Tell Husqvarna to go back to the drawing board. You just need my biceps, forearms, and a Supercut 2000. Ooh, baby. Okay, I think I got her planned out anyway. So the jump-in point is gonna be over here now. I gave up on the trail idea because I don't wanna mess up the trail and it'd be too much build-up. This, I think, be nice and easy. Build it up a tiny bit, start there, in we go. So yeah, let me get this thing out of here and hopefully soon, we'll be jumping her. Man, I can't wait for next weekend. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I know this video was kind of all over the place, so appreciate you sticking around. Let me know in the comments if you think I should go ahead with the pond jump or pond ramp. It's really not going to be a ramp or jump. It's going to be either a flat or slightly inclined takeoff, just something solid I kind of wheelie off of, drop in. You know, I'm not crazy. You've seen my videos, but I want to try this. The more things like this I get under my belt, the more comfortable I'm going to get, so why not try it in the comfort of my own home? And then I'll be hitting it on the trails all the time. But you know, trying to get the wheelies dialed in, trying to do these kind of things, you know, just to get better. Always got to be improving, right? So let me know in the comments if it's even something you guys want to see. It just got done raining pretty good. We're supposed to get rain all week, which means this Saturday's ride day should be mint. Mud holes should be filled up, should be good going. Got the boys coming out. We're gonna have a pretty good crew, actually. A whole fleet of Can-Ams. I think everybody. Yeah, all Can-Ams. Some people you haven't seen on the channel yet. Some people you have, so stay tuned. That's coming, should be the next video. It's gonna be a good one. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this one a like while you're at it. Stick around for the next one. It's coming up soon. And like always, appreciate you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace.